Whosoever that findeth a wife finds a good thing. That's Proverbs chapter 18, verse 22. Proverbs chapter 31, verse 10 says, who can find a virtuous woman? Proverbs 19, verse 14 says, riches and wealth, they are the inheritance that fathers can give to their children. But a prudent wife is from the Lord. So that scripture is clear. You can look for a wife and you might end up having a knife instead of a wife, because the preciousness of a virtuous woman that God designed for marriage purposes makes it hard for a human being to find. So when the Bible says, who can find a virtuous woman? For her price is far above rubies. That is, it is beyond human capacity. So you need God. You need God to lead you. That's why you have to pray. The first thing is to pray. And God in mercy will show you, will bring to you the right person, the right partner, the woman or the man that you and the person you will journey together to enjoy your life and to advance the purpose of God. You pray. And when you pray, we trust that God will lead you or bring across your path the right woman. But don't forget that you cannot marry an unbeliever, and you must not marry unbelieving believer either. You cannot. If you do that, to be to the treatment of your life and to the downfall of your life, and even might end into your destruction. God forbid anyway. So you can't be careless with the matter of marital choice. You need God to lead you, and you need also to check if a woman is coming to your life. You look at, do we have the same vision? Do we have the same goal? Can we complement each other? Am I pleased to live with this person? Can I go with this person? Even in the next 20 years, will I still enjoy being with this person, or I might regret it? And when you are to make a choice, please don't marry with your present state. Marry for the future. Don't marry for now. Don't choose a married partner to gratify your flesh or the desires of the flesh. Marry futuristically. That is, who you are today, present level is not your real level. Your level is there in the future. So if you can see a vision of tomorrow, then marry, in agreement to where God has shown you. That's how to go about making a choice of marriage partner. I trust that the Lord will guide all our singles, brothers and sisters, to the right person. The Lord Almighty will show you mercy in that regard.